So the fear is that this could trigger a very strong Russian response. We saw yesterday that a residential area of the city of Zaporizhia, a major city in the south of the country, very close to the front lines, was hit. More than a dozen.
Okay, Hugo Bashega there, our correspondent in Kyiv, obviously for obvious reasons taking cover at that point, but just talking us through the latest on the situation with regards to Ukraine and Russia following the explosion on the bridge that connects to Crimea. Of course, we shall reconnect with Hugo and our team there as soon as we can.
So we're here in the shelter of our hotel. Obviously, we came here after we heard that sound of what appeared to be a missile here over Kyiv, and it hit a location very close to our hotel here in the city center.